All right, number 5. We have this chart here, right? It says in an experiment, a heated cup of coffee is removed from a heat source, and the cup of coffee is then left in a room that is kept at a constant temperature. The graph above shows the temperature in degree Fahrenheit of the coffee immediately after being removed from the heat source and at 10-minute interval thereafter. Okay. So you see the graph we have on the y-axis, these are the temperature of the coffee, and the x-axis, these represent time since the cup was removed. Okay. So number 5 says, of the following, which best approximate the temperature in degree Fahrenheit of the coffee when it is first removed from the heat source? Okay, when you first remove the coffee from the heat source, what temperature is it at? Okay, so what happens here is when we first remove it, then it should be the starting point, right? And that should be 0 minutes since we remove, because that's at the very moment that we remove it from the heat source, right? We haven't started the timing yet, right? So the time should be 0. So pretty much we're looking at this point. Okay, that's also the very first point that we have on the graph, right? When time is 0, that's our temperature, which is the starting temperature. Okay, so what number does that line up with, right? If you look at the y value is very close to 200, okay? Very close to 200. So if you look at our answer choices, it's close to 200, but a little bit less. So the best answer had to be letter D, 195. And that would be our best answer.